Hi students, welcome to computer class. See, our topic is formatting in MS Word. First of all, we want to know how to open the MS Word and how to work on the MS Word. Yes or no? Yes. Now, what is the meaning of formatting? See, we change some appearance of the text. It's called, what is it? Formatting. Okay, ma? Formatting makes the text look attractive, organized and easy to read. That purpose only we are setting the format. Okay, ma? In MS Word provides many features of formatting of text like different font types, styles, border and shading and etc. Appo different font types means what the meaning and the text or the style. Okay, ma, we are changing the font types and also style. See, we are writing something means writing a different handwriting. No, that's called that style in a MS Word. Next, we are applying a border and any shading. Next, what is the meaning of font? A font is a set of letters, numbers or symbols of a given size and design that may be displayed or printed. We are setting the letters, numbers or symbols at a size and design. Okay, ma? Next, settings that are standard or predefined in a software package are called default settings. See, the standard software package is called as what is the default settings. The formatting helps to make changes to the default settings. Now, we want to see about the character formatting. About character means what the meaning? That a single letter that's called what is it? This text is called what is that? It's a character. How to change this character? That's called character formatting. Displaying text in a certain way is known as what is that? Character formatting. Maybe it's a consist of text properties, bold, italic, underline, font type and font size, font color and etc. Now, the character formatting using the ribbon. We will see the picture now. See here. Follow the steps to apply character formatting to the text. First of all, normally you want to select the text to be formatted. We want to select the text, which one we want to change that appearance. Okay, ma? See, normally we want to select means, see, this type of layer is applied. That's called, we are selecting this text. Now we want to set the font style. Okay, ma? See here, this is a font style. Okay, ma? You want to click this down arrow mark. You want to apply anything here. You want to select it any font style. See, we are clicking this. No. Yes. Now see the text here. It's changed or not. This is called a formatting in a font. Then we want to change the size. Font size. See here. You want to click it here. Suppose we want to bigger size means click this number series. Otherwise we want to need a small size means click any number of series here. See, I am setting here 24. This font size also changed. Yes or no? Yeah. Next, we are changing the color. So that we want to change the color means we want to click the font color option. See here where is located the font color option? Yeah. Here click it. You want to apply any, see I am applying here blue color. It's changed or not? Yes or no? Yeah. Suppose we need the bold letters means you want to click here the B letter. What is that? Bold. The shortcut key of bold is Ctrl plus B. See, just you click it the B button. It's fully bolded. Otherwise, you need a italic letters means you want to click this I letter. The italic shortcut key is Ctrl plus I. Next, suppose you need an underline for this word. Word means you want to click this underline option. You need a different types of underline means you want to click this arrow mark. See here, they given a different types of underlines. Click it here. Otherwise, see here. Can you understand the changing or not? Yes or no? Yeah. Can you understand the steps to how to set character formatting? Yeah. First of all, you want to click the home tab. Which tab? You want to click the home tab. Then we want to go to the font group of home tab. See, it's fully occupied in the font group. Yes or no? They given a font. Yes. This option is fully occupied in the font group. In this font group, you want to change the font style or a font size, otherwise font color, and also font style. Okay, va? In the font group, you have the options given in the figure. Yes or no? In this font group, having the options. The next topic is highlighting text. What is the meaning of highlights? Highlighting the text means placing a colored rectangle over it. Okay, va? We will see the steps now how to highlight the text. First of all, you want to click the home tab. Which tab? You want to click the home tab. Then you see the options here in the font group. Which group, ma? It's fully occupied in the font group. In the font group, click the drop down arrow of the text highlighted color button. Where is located the text highlight color button, ma'am? See here. See, they given a B letter and some. See here. This is only a text highlight color button. You want to click this text highlight color button. See, first of all, we want to select the word. Yes or no? Yes. This particular word only we want to highlight. So, first of all, we want to select the text. Then, you want to click the text highlight color option. Which color you want, you choose it. Okay, just we are choosing this pink color. This word only highlighted. See, this is a highlighted color. Now, how can we remove the text? The same way, you want to select the text. Then you click the home tab. In the font group, you want to click the drop down arrow of the text highlight color. The same method. Again, you want to click the text highlight color button. Again, you want to remove. Select it means it's removed. Yes or no? Now we want to see how to remove the highlighting color from the text. Yes or no? Yes. See, first of all, you want to select this particular text. Select it. Then you go to the home tab. In the font group, you want to select the text highlight color button. See here. This is the text highlight color button. You want to click it here. Then you click the no color option. This word is not highlighted now. That means the highlighting word is removed. Yes or no? Yeah. Okay, students. The remaining topics we will see the next class. Thank you.